Moog, the problem solver, a premier brand of Federal Mogul. Suspension and steering component inspection. Upper control arm bushing inspection. Control arm bushings are fundamental to all suspension systems. They are dynamic components that operate with the vehicle in motion. Bushings consist of an outer sleeve, rubber, and inner sleeve. Many vehicles have them pressed into the control arms. A shaft or bolt through the center of the bushing mounts them to the frame. During suspension travel, bushings provide a pivot point for the control arm, maintain control arm lateral and vertical location, maintain dynamic wheel alignment, reduce noise, road shock, and vibration, and provide resistance to suspension movement. Inspect them for missing rubber, large rubber splits or cracks, and for off-centering of the bolt or shaft. On a short long arm system, visually inspect the bushing under the hood. Small weather cracks are acceptable, providing the bushing does not pose a handling problem or control arm location shift. Lower control arm bushing inspection. The lower control arm bushing can be difficult to inspect because it may be housed in the frame member. If visual inspection is not conclusive, use a pry bar to move the control arm to one side. If the control arm springs back, the rubber in the bushing is still good. If the control arm slides over and stays, the bushing may be worn or damaged. Lower control arm strikeout bumper bushing inspection. Strikeout bumpers limit suspension travel in the event of severe impact, preventing part damage from metal-to-metal contact or stud swing within pivot points. Visually check for damaged or missing bumpers and replace if necessary. If the strikeout bumper has polished the frame, it may indicate a soft shock absorber, fatigued coil spring, or severe driving.